Welcome to Mix and Smile. This channel is dedicated to handcrafted flavor recipes, where balance, texture, and formulation logic matter more than volume or intensity. Here, we focus on understanding why each element is used, how percentages interact, and how a recipe evolves over time. Today's recipe is called Banana Joe. Banana Joe is designed as a warm, creamy dessert profile meant for smooth, long session enjoyment. This is not a candy-style banana and not a sharp fruit blend. The intention is to create a natural, comforting banana dessert that feels realistic, rounded, and easy to return to. The foundation of Banana Joe starts with the banana layer. Banana cream is used at 5% to build the main body of the recipe. Its role is to provide thickness, softness, and a creamy banana character that feels smooth rather than aggressive. On its own, banana cream can feel flat, so 1% of ripe banana is added to introduce realism and brightness. Keeping the ripe banana low is critical, as higher percentages can quickly push the profile towards sharp or artificial notes. Beneath the banana layer sits caramel at 3%. Caramel is not used to increase sweetness. Its purpose is to add warmth, depth, and a lightly cooked sugar note that anchors the recipe in a dessert direction. Cotton candy is included at 0.50%. This ingredient is not acting as a sweetener. Its role is to smooth transitions between flavors, soften harsh edges, and help the recipe blend more naturally during the early steep. To add richness and weight, peanut butter is used at 3%. It brings a slightly toasted, nutty character that makes the dessert feel fuller and more satisfying. Hazelnut supports this layer at 0.25%, adding warmth and complexity without dominating the profile. The bakery structure of Banana Joe is built using vanilla swirl and vanilla cupcake. Vanilla swirl is used at 2% to smooth the mix and connect all elements together. Vanilla cupcake is also used at 2%, adding body and a soft cake-like texture that transforms the recipe into a complete dessert. Cereal is added at 1% as a background element. Its purpose is to introduce a subtle, dry texture that prevents the recipe from becoming overly creamy or heavy, keeping the profile balanced and interesting. This configuration represents the full intensity version, with a total flavor percentage of 17.75%. In this format, the banana feels thick and realistic. The bakery notes provide warmth and structure, and the nut layer adds depth with a long, smooth finish. For a lower intensity version, suitable for reduced flavor load and extended daily use, the same structure is preserved while percentages are scaled down. In this version, banana cream is used at 2.50%, ripe banana at 0.50%, caramel at 1.50%, cotton candy at 0.30%, peanut butter at 1.50%, hazelnut at 0.10%, vanilla swirl at 1.00%, vanilla cupcake at 1.20%, and cereal at 0.50%. The total flavor percentage here is 8.55%, maintaining balance while reducing intensity. Steeping plays an important role in all versions of Banana Joe. The recipe can be evaluated after a few days, but true balance develops with time. Around 7 days, the banana softens, the caramel integrates fully, and the bakery notes blend into the base, revealing the intended smoothness and depth. Creamy dessert lovers seeking warmth and balance, Banana Joe is for you. Experience comfort, realism, and cohesion every puff, smooth and satisfying. Not for sharp fruit or icy profiles, discover your creamy vape today. Every percentage in Banana Joe has a purpose. Nothing is excessive. Nothing is accidental. It is a carefully layered dessert formulation built to feel natural, smooth, and satisfying from start to finish. Alright, that's Banana Joe, a smooth, creamy dessert blend built for comfort and balance. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe for more handcrafted recipes, steep tips, and flavor profiles. Now I've got a question for you. Are you a banana dessert person, or do you prefer something like custard, cereal, or caramel-heavy mixes? Drop your answer in the comments. I rate every single one. See you in the next mix.